is Bosslady Shruti, and as you can tell, I am looking quite fine and dandy because I just colored my hair right at home and I am so excited and happy with the results. Clearly. Actually, what happened is I saw the L'Oreal Paris ad that they had currently running, and I saw Manvi's hair in that, and I was like, this is so gorgeous. It's time for me to color my hair. Usually I do color my hair at home, and what do I do when I need to color my hair? Go to my trusty L'Oreal Paris casting creme gloss. This hair color has been my go-to now for I don't even know how many years. You have seen me make so many videos about this. It's honestly because there is no other hair color that I like doing, at least like at home. I tried the shade 532. I believe this is salted caramel. So I like usually colors which are in the chocolate brown, sort of that color family. I feel those kind of colors really complement, tan Indian skin tones, and I am super happy with how my hair looks like. I feel it looks better when the sun hits the hair. I feel the hair looks absolutely gorgeous. I feel like I'm out in some romantic Bollywood movie. So if you want to know how I got this gorgeous hair color transformation while at home, please keep watching. So as you can see, I am now in my bathrobe ready to get this process started. But before I get the process started, I do also want to mention I have been using this product for a very long time. So I have already done the allergy test. But if this is the first time you guys are trying out at home, I would suggest that you do a patch test either at the back of your ear or in your forearm, just to see if you're allergic or anything of that sort. And then you can go ahead and use the hair color after 24 hours and checking that, all's good. We're ready to rumble. Because I hadn't colored my hair in probably 8 months at this point, I wanted to start with wet hair. This kind of helps the color develop a lot nicer. Within the pack, you get 3 things, which is the developer, the colorant, and the star of the show, which is the shine mask with royal jelly. The application process is absolutely simple. As you can see, I already have wet hair. The pack is actually very convenient because they also give a set of gloves along with it. So you definitely don't need anything else other than whatever is in the pack. Then I move on to mixing the colorant creme directly into the developer bottle and shake it properly. Now I'm just sectioning off my hair. I like working in sections just because it helps me saturate the product really well and also help me get to all the hair that I have. I have noticed that by sectioning off my hair and going in section by section, it really helps me get to all my hair, even at the back. What I actually love is that this hair color has no ammonia, which is honestly something that I was looking for in my hair color. And once I'm done saturating the product all around my hair, I leave it on for about say 30 to 40 minutes, depending on your hair texture and how long back you have colored your hair. Then I quickly hop in the shower, rinse out the hair color, and this is where the star product makes its entry. Now I'm using the star of the show, which is the shine mask with royal jelly. Honestly, this makes such a difference to your hair. It gives your hair that gloss and shine, and they actually say that this makes your hair 5 times glossier and shinier, and come on, like I can honestly tell that it does. You know what, I've said it before and I'll say it again, this conditioner is such a great little magic potion. It gives your hair that beautiful glossy finish, because honestly that is what I want from my hair color. And ta-da! As you can see, my hair is absolutely loving it, feeling it. My hair looks 5 times glossier and shinier, and what's great is that this hair color will last me for up to 32 washes and has given me amazing salon-like results right at home. Honestly, I have very, very jet black South Indian hair, and a lot of your at-home hair colors do not show up on my hair. And you can see, especially when my hair hits the sunlight, you can see that gorgeous salted caramel color showing through, and that is what I absolutely love. I think that this is a great alternative if you are looking for something that kind of gives you salon-like results but right at home. And honestly, it just takes 30 minutes. Like in 30 minutes, you can change and transform your look, and it is so super easy. And the best part, this is available for only 650 rupees, which I think is a great price point. So, yeah. I'm clearly loving my hair. I'm about to go probably meet a couple of my friends, have some good time, and yeah. So I guess that's all. This is how I transform my hair. And if you want to do the same, I will leave the purchase links in the description box. So definitely check it out. And yeah, I think now I'm ready to get some dinner. I don't drink, so dinner with my girlies. And yeah, that's it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.